Hello everyone, Devashish here. Welcome to another interesting tutorial in Circuit Digest. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about a very interesting project which is based on the driver drowsiness detection using eye blink sensor and Arduino. So here, as you can see, this is the eye blink sensor. Okay, this is a actually embedded on a sunglass, so which can detect the eye blink. Okay, and it can transmit the data through a RF sensor wirelessly to the receiver. Okay, so here you can see as we have a RF receiver, so which can wirelessly receive the data from the eye blink sensor, and again it can be decoded by a Arduino, and it can give an alert when a driver actually feels sleepy especially in night. Okay, so it is very useful to prevent the accident which usually happens in the night driving. Okay, because the driver feels sleepy while driving. Okay, so this project is very helpful to prevent the accidents. So let us see the demonstration of this project. As you can see here, so I have wear the sunglass having the eye blink sensor. So this is the eye blink sensor which can detect the eye blink, and these are some circuitry which consist of RF transmitter, battery. Okay, so to transmit the data from the eye blink sensor to the receiver side. Okay, and here you can see when I am blinking my eye, detects the eye. It can detect the eye blink. Okay, and a light is glowing on the eye blink sensor to detect to let us know that it can detect the eye blink. Okay, but again we have programmed it such a way that it can detect the drowsiness. Okay, when I'm normally blinking my eye, it is not giving any alert because we have programmed it such a way that when it detects the drowsiness, okay, of a driver, it should alert the driver. So let us test it. Okay, so as you can see here, a buzzer is alerting that the driver is feeling sleepy. So it is alerting the driver. Okay, so as you can see here again. Okay, so this project is very useful to prevent the accidents in the road. Okay, especially in the night time when the driver usually feels sleepy while driving. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. To refer it, please refer to the description link for code, circuit diagram, okay, and other details.